A modern home runs on electricity. It's the invisible force that brings light, warmth, and connection. But when your home is a giant conductive steel box, that force behaves by a different and far more dangerous set of rules. A simple mistake that would be a minor problem in a wood frame house can become a catastrophic failure in a steel one. Your container home can be the safest place to be in a thunderstorm, a perfect Faraday cage that protects you from lightning. Or, if you get the wiring wrong, it can become the lightning bolt itself. Today, we're revealing the 2 critical electrical rules that will keep you and your family safe.
To understand the stakes, you need to grasp this one invisible danger. In a traditional house made of wood, if a live electrical wire accidentally touches a wall stud, the problem is usually contained to that small area. Wood is a poor conductor. But in a container home, the entire structure, every wall, the floor, the ceiling, is a single massive electrical conductor. If a single wire with damaged insulation touches any part of that steel shell, the entire house can become electrically energized. Your home, the very ground you walk on, and the walls you touch can become live, waiting for a path to the ground. And that path could be you.
This brings us to the first and most vital electrical rule. You must master the grounding. If your house becomes accidentally energized, that electricity will desperately seek the fastest and easiest path to the earth. Your job is to give it a superhighway to follow that isn't you. This is what grounding does. It means creating a thick, unbroken, low-resistance connection from the steel chassis of your container directly to a long copper rod driven deep into the ground. This isn't just a suggestion, it's the ultimate safety valve. A proper, robust grounding system ensures that in the event of a fault, the massive electric current bypasses your home and its occupants entirely, discharging safely into the earth. You are literally taming the lightning.
The second great danger isn't from a faulty appliance. It's from the container itself. Every hole you drill through a steel stud or a corrugated wall to pass a wire creates a hidden blade. Unlike the soft edges of wood, a drilled hole in steel leaves a razor-sharp metal edge. Over the years, the subtle vibrations of living in a home, doors closing, people walking, will cause the electrical wire to chafe and rub against this sharp edge. Slowly but surely, that hidden blade will slice through the wire's protective plastic insulation, eventually exposing the live copper conductor directly to the steel frame of your house.
This leads to our second unbreakable rule. You must armor every single wire. No electrical cable should ever pass directly through a raw steel hole. You have 2 professional options to create a protected armored path. The first is to run your wiring through conduit, metal or PVC tubes that act as a durable shield for the cables. The second, for smaller passages, is to install a rubber or plastic grommet in every hole you drill. These simple grommets create a soft, protective buffer that prevents the sharp steel inside your walls from ever touching the wire's insulation ever. It's a meticulous, time-consuming step, but it's the only way to guarantee that the hidden blades inside your walls remain disarmed forever.
In the end, the electrical safety of your container home comes down to its respecting its dual nature. Yes, it's a massive conductor, but that's not a flaw. It's a feature if you control it.
By mastering the two fundamental rules, a perfect grounding system to give electricity a safe path out, and perfectly armored wiring to ensure it never touches the steel in the first place, you transform the entire structure. What was once a potential danger, a conductive cage, becomes the ultimate protector. A perfectly grounded Faraday cage that shields you from any electrical fault. You've turned its greatest risk into its greatest strength.
If these two critical electrical rules have given you the knowledge to wire your project safely, show your support with a like and subscribe for more essential guides from the Builder's Rulebook. For the professional blueprints, books, and tools we trust for every build, you can find our curated lists by pointing your phone's camera at the QR code on the screen now, or by using the link in the description. Now on to the next challenge. We've covered the electricity, but what about the water? The principles of running plumbing in a steel box present their own unique and costly challenges. In our next video, we'll break down the #1 plumbing mistake that can lead to frozen pipes and catastrophic leaks in a container home. You won't want to miss it.